नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं अनिल रिपकाटे मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल आईटी क्रिएटर आपके लिए आज लेके आ रहा हूँ हिस्ट्री ऑफ वेल्डिंग टेक्निक। In 1802, electric arc welding was invented by Russian scientist Vasily Petrov. In 1836, C2H2 acetylene gas was invented by England scientist Edmund Davy. In 1881, carbon arc welding was invented by French scientist Masson. In 1885 to 1887, single carbon arc welding was invented by Russian scientist Bernard and Oleshky. In 1889, two carbon arc welding was invented by scientist Zerner. In 1890, arc welding by using metal electrode was invented by United States scientist C.L. Coffin. In 1892, bare wire metallic electrode was invented by German scientist N.G. Slavinov. In 1893, thermic welding was invented by Sweden scientist Elithu Thomson. In 1895, oxyacetylene welding process was invented by French scientist Henry Louis Le Chatelier. In 1907, coated metal electrode was discovered by Sweden scientist Oskar Kejelberg, and in 1912, second patent of coated metal electrode was invented by the British scientist A.P. Streininger. In 1905, three-phase electric arc welding was invented by Russian scientist Vladimir Mitkevich. In 1990, AC welding was invented by Russian scientist C.J. Halslag. In 1920, automatic welding by using arc voltage and bare electrode wires was invented by P.O. Nobel. In 1932, underwater electric arc welding was invented by Russian scientist Konstantin Krenov. In 1935, submerged arc welding was invented by United States of American scientists Kennedy, Rothermund and Johnell. In 1940, welding of plastic was invented by USA Dow Chemical Company. Again, in 1943, welding of plastic was invented by German scientist I.G. Harbinist Turistry. In 1946, TIG and MIG welding was invented by USA scientist Hobart and Devers. In 1953, CO2 mag welding was invented by Lee Yuba, Wiskit and Novosilov. In 1955, plasma cutting was invented by Dr. Robert Gage. In 1957, explosive welding was invented by USA scientist Pearson. In 1957, friction welding was invented by Russian scientist A.J. Chudyakov. Father of welding is called a Russian scientist Nikolai Benards.